Hello everyone, my name is Engineer Arjun Singh. Today I am going to tell you about the bulking of sand test on fine aggregate or the sand. So let's begin. Now bulking in sand takes place because of if the sand particles are moist, they repel each other and this cause increase in the volume. In wave batching we do not require the bulking correction, but while we go for the volume batching we require the bulking correction. So let's begin. Let us know how this is done. So first we take a cylindrical measuring tube. In that cylindrical measuring tube we basically pour the sand which has to be tested up to a level of 200 ml. We level the sand with the help of a ruler or any other material, and after this is done, then we pour that sand into the beaker, and in that cylindrical tube we fill the water up to a certain level, and after that the water is being filled, then the sand from the beaker is then being poured back into the cylindrical tube. After this is being done, it has to be stirred well, because for the proper mixing or for the proper mixing of the particles with the water. And after this is done, we leave the sample for a few hours, and after then we after a few time, when we see the marking, we observe that the particular rise in the volume of sand is observed. This is observed because of the formula that, because of the phenomena that I told you. Now this is the correction which is required in volume batching. So we can calculate this correction with the help of the formula. Bulking of sand is equals to 200, or the amount of or the volume which we have taken, whichever you have taken, 200 minus say A upon A. Now A is basically the level of sand from the bottom. Let's say it has been 120 or 130. So 200 minus 130 upon 130 basically is the amount of bulking of sand. So this is how we calculate, and we need to do this correction in volume batching, because this can produce major errors while the concrete is being casted. So thank you everyone for watching.